Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? So this is a very latest update of Chainlink, my friend. Chainlink is completely starting moving off. So this is absolutely very amazingly update, guys. If you could see at this time on the all crypto market, especially very badly falls down. But this is the one reason, my friend, I already explained in this video. But why Chainlink is starting moving up, and what's the prediction to upcoming days? They starting moving up continuously, or they fails down and upcoming time. So let's see. But before I start this video, I request you, my brother, to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, press bell icon for videos notification. ABS Tech also guide you every time. So let's see, my friend. This time you can see here the last 3 days chart is on the screen, and guys, I draw already for Chainlink before 1 hour, but this time you can see here I want to draw again this time. The reduction is very important. Okay, so you can see here, first of all, I draw a line when they touch the highest point, and second one is touch the lowest point, my friend, of this chart. So this time you can see here they continuously moving an upward direction. You can see here the resistance line completely fails off, jump off. You can see here they hit it, but everybody try to understand to if they hit the resistance line that they are in the positive, they are in the profit, they give you a profit. You can see this time they also change occurs in positive, so it is mean to Chainlink price is increased now. Definitely you can see here 39 to 42 US dollar the price change occur in this month especially. But remember, to every cryptocurrency in the start of month very badly fails down. But definitely you can see here this time I can't believe it. I cannot expect this today. How is it possible today? So moving upward like a rocket. But especially remember to one of the viral coin, Dogecoin, also this time fails now. Remember this. But you can see here the Chainlink is going up. So it's a very good news from all of you, my friend. And what is the prediction? If you can see here this time, I draw a chart again. You can see here, first of all, I clean it. Okay, this time you can see here they touch the highest point. You can see here, all right. So after this, my friend, you can see here they are going at the circulation. Every cryptocurrency is moving and this circulation. You can see here after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. But definitely you can see here this time they fails down very fastly, but after this fails they also take a jump like that. You can see here like that and like that, exactly, my friend. If they're moving like that, then absolutely there in upcoming time and next week, my friend, of this month they're going up like a rocket. So Chainlink holder, congratulations. Don't be feared, this is not a terrible time, my friend. I hope this is very good time. So kindly don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. But remember, my friend, to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and updates, because this channel is only guide you every time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.